How to see connected apps with your YouTube account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see connected apps with YouTube easy and fast. So first thing, go to YouTube. This is the home page. As you can see, go to the top and click on your profile picture, and now right here go down and search for settings and click on it. It will take you to this page. Now right here go down and search for connected apps. Click on connected apps, and right here you will find all your connected apps easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.